So it has been 1 month now since I got my hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll be talking about my experience with this device and whether or not I can recommend it to you if you're interested in picking this device up. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is cameras. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus has a great camera setup with 3 cameras, and it has a main 50 megapixel sensor, which take really great photos. And it's just been really nice to use it every single day because you always get really nice photos that are always crisp and not oversaturated, which is something that Samsung has really improved on and I really like. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the display. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus has a new super bright display coming at 2600 nits, and it's easy to see even in the harshest of sunlight, which is, really nice to have. And it is brighter than any iPhone. It is the second brightest phone on the market. The first one is like the OnePlus 12, I think, with like 4000 nits or something crazy. But yeah, so it's definitely more than bright enough to see even in the harshest conditions. And also this year around, we have a new panel. So it is a Quad HD Plus resolution, so it has the same resolution as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but since it is compact into this small of a phone, it actually has like a higher resolution, so it's super nice and a super crispy resolution and super snappy at 120 hertz refresh rate. And it's just a super nice display to use every single day. It's very fast, very responsive, and it's super nice with this new always on display. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the battery life. So the battery life on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is above and beyond. So I'm able to get over a day of use, almost 2 days, and I know it looks pretty bad, but this is after 1 day of use, but I uploaded 4 videos, I filmed a few, and I also edited some, so it was definitely a abnormal use for this phone, but I'm able to get probably on average 2 days. If I'm really light with the usage and stuff, I could probably easily get almost 4, like probably 3 in a night, if that makes sense. Like it just like kind of sitting down like overnight. So battery life is super good even with using apps, and it has finally learned my usage for just how I use my phone, so it can save battery life accordingly. So battery life has been super nice. So the next thing I want to talk about is design. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus this year around got a more boxier design with a, like more boxier sides. I guess really that's what that means, with a slight kind of, I don't know how you want to say that, like a slight curve at the end. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, as you can see, like a slight curve, and also has like a matte finish. It actually feels like the titanium on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it feels like really premium, probably like literally as premium, if not feels way better than the iPhone 15. And yeah, it's super nice, and it's just super comfortable to have it without a case. But even when I do throw a case on it, it's still super comfortable. And also it's light. I think it's like 120 something grams. I'll put it on screen. Definitely not like my S23 Ultra, where it's very heavy, very kind of clunky, and sharp corners and stuff. So it's a very comfortable device with a rounded but still kind of boxy finish. So for design and just comfort, it's been really nice. And then, of course, Galaxy AI, which I won't talk a lot about, but like the new circle search is probably my most used feature, and it just works. Like it doesn't like not work, like it's not like inconsistent. It just works super well. It does, need a Wi-Fi connection, and then, live translation and chat like translation. Those are the 3 things that I use a lot. So for AI, it's also been super nice. And just like my overall experience with this phone and whether or not I can recommend it to you if you're interested in picking this device up, my experience has been really good with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and like I said, it's very comfortable, small but not too small of a phone, and the cameras are great, the display is really nice quality, and it's super bright. And there's literally like nothing that I don't like about this phone. Like I was thinking of maybe doing a video like things I hate about this phone or don't like, but I literally could not think of one thing that I do not like about this phone. It's just a great experience. And obviously this video is not sponsored or anything. Like I bought this with my own money, so it's my honest opinion of this device. So thank you so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.